kaya ng pera mo.
Sorry.
Paano man pag-pogi lang ako?
Guys, nakabalik na kami. Yun na. Naka-apron na ako. Maglalagyan na ako ng hairnet. Kaya dito na sila ma. Yun lang. So, mamaya ulit guys. Bye. So, ayan, after ng event, gumawa kami ng cream puff and eclair. So, ayan siya guys. And then, ayan, both tart na yung gagawin namin charm. Go! Tada! Ayan na siya guys. Ayan na ang aming bow tart. Ayan na. And then, ito ang aming cream puff and eclair. Oh, diba? Look at the goodness. Oh, daming ano. Charis! Pero ito na yung gawa ng lahat. Tada! Go na go for you! Guys, ito na yung niluto namin. Niluto nila kasi late ako. Ito ay banana cake. Ayan, banana cake guys. Tapos ito yung isa, carrot cake. Ayan, niluto nila. Ako na lang nag-plating. Napakambang guys. Pero ayan, yun yung itsura nila. Ayan, dalawa daw yung ginawa nila. Ito yung ano, pang-distribute. Time na to, guys, wala ako kasi nasa klase ako ng Kabzu. So, pagdating ko, luto na yung kailangan lang gawin. So, ayan na lang. Ako na lang ang nag-plating dyan. So, ayan yung, sabi ko lang, banana cake and carrot cake. For the go! Ayan siya, guys. Masarap to. Favorite ko to. Lagi kong binibake. Kinukook. Lagi kong binibake yung carrot cake kasi so good.
Kaya nga eh. Baka magkasuntukan dyan eh.
Okay guys, magluluto kami ng cheese cupcake, double chocolate chip muffin and chocolate cupcake. Ito na yung ano. Hintay lang namin sila. Kukuha na kami. First recipe natin po cheese cupcake. Ito na.
Cheese cupcake.
So, ito na ang paborito ng lahat. Ayan, ang ginagawa namin ay cheese cupcake, kakasabi lang. Ang ginagawa ko dito ay sinisif ko yung flour and pinag-add ko yung mga dry ingredients. Ayan siya. Kasama ko dito si Ate Angela. Ayan, go. Ayan, halo-halo yan siya. For the go. And then, ayan, in this clip, ayan, kasama na namin si Jason. Si Jason naman ang tumutulong sa akin maghalo ng, what do you call this? Wet ingredients. Ayan, for the go. Ayan, if you guys wanna try this out, this journey, like this whole baking journey is very therapeutic. It's very fun. You're gonna meet a lot of people. You're gonna, alam mo yan, like interact with a lot of people. You're gonna know them. You're gonna know their stories. And basically, you're gonna also learn skills. If you wanna learn all of this, you guys can check out yung page.
Masala to?
Apo, masala na po yun.
Asa yung salaan niyo? Ako na. Dahil naman siya, gawapas na to ah.
Ano na po siya ma'am, na-remeasure na po. So, ayun nga, going back, you guys can check their FB page, yung training center. It's Precious Knowledge Training Center. It's located in General Trias. If you guys wanna try them out, go ahead. You guys can PM them, directly message them, and ask for the requirements if you guys wanna try this out. I will be linking it in the description box also. So, this is just the whole process of making cheese cupcake, and after that, isasalang na natin siya sa oven. Guys, ito na kami. Preparing na kami sa chocolate cupcake. Ayan na yung itsura niya.
Ay, meron ng pati.
Yung mga ingredients namin ito. Tapos yung aming cheese cupcake and dito guys. Sasaid nga, i-ano mo siya. Ayan, sige, go. Sige, go maganda.
Nasabay nga. Sugar mami.
Sorry.
After ng sugar egg, pesos.
Ito na siya guys, yung sa muffin namin, double chocolate chip muffin.
Meron pa, ma'am?
Ito na yung aming
Meron ba kayo?
chocolate cupcake. Ayan, sa part na to, andito na si Kuya Ram. So, si Kuya Ram na ang nag-take over ng ibang ganap. Wow. Ayan, tapos, eto na. Lunch. My favorite. Ulam. Sisig. And kare-kare. Go. Ito na siya, guys.
Tapos na ito, ma'am.
So, ayun na siya guys. Ito na ang gawa ng bawat isa. Wow, talaga ka. Pero ayun na nga, yan na yung gawa ng bawat isa. And also, tatlo yung ginawa namin. It's cheese cupcake, double chocolate chip muffin, and chocolate cupcake. So, ayun lang guys. I will be ending this vlog. This will be the end of our vlog. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!